Our programs offer many languages. Please visit suprememastertv.com/schedule.
Nos programmes offrent plusieurs langues. Veuillez visiter suprememastertv.com/schedule.
Nuestros programas ofrecen varios idiomas. Visiten suprememastertv.com/schedule.
Nossos programas oferecem vários idiomas. Acesse suprememastertv.com/schedule.
हमारे कार्यक्रम पेश किए जाते कई भाषाओं में कृपया देखें suprememastertv.com/schedule。
我们的节目提供多种语言，请看 suprememastertv.com/schedule。
Rancangan kami menawarkan banyak bahasa. Sila kunjungi suprememastertv.com/katapan schedule.
برامجنا متوفرة بالعديد من اللغات. يرجى زيارة suprememastertv.com/schedule.
Наши программы предлагают много языков. Пожалуйста, посмотрите suprememastertv.com/schedule.
Acara kami menyediakan banyak bahasa. Silakan lihat suprememastertv.com/schedule.
Just practice meditation. At least I take you to 5th level for sure. If not now, then slowly. Yeah. At least I'm capable of taking you there.
Please continue watching to find out more.
Supreme Master Ching Hai's lectures are not a complete meditation instruction. Please do not try alone. For free of charge guidance, please visit godsdirectcontact.org or contact any of our centers near you.
Today's episode will be presented in English with subtitles in Arabic, Aulaxese, also known as Vietnamese, Bulgarian, Chinese, Czech, Dutch, English, Finnish, French, German, Hindi, Hungarian, Indonesian, Japanese, Korean, Mongolian, Nepali, Persian, Polish, Portuguese, Romanian, Russian, Spanish, Telugu, and Thai. Salutations dans la joie, spectateurs qui gagnent bon cœur. Non, moi c'est Choukoun, moi sauté au Caille, dans Haïti, pays bel soleil. Haïtiens yo affectueux et yo dit bon Dieu merci parce que li prend soin dans tout détail et li répond à tout ça au besoin. République d'Haïti chita sous île Hispaniola dans gros archipel Antilles dans la mer Caraïbes blanc. Li partage île là avec République dominicaine et li c'est une dans nation qui gagne plus population dans région Caraïbes là. Natif natalio peuple taïnois tere les îles Haïti qui veut dire côté qui gagne monde. Ça qui vient by non ça Haïti. Pays si la béni en pile avec une belle coquine beauté naturelle. Par exemple, plage sable blanc attirant, monde vert d'un coup émeraude et cascade l'eau qui porte sérénité. Société moderne haïtienne, c'est un mélange culturel qui sortit dans l'Afrique, dans les Indes, de l'Ouest et dans la France. Haïti gagne un patrimoine riche et unique qui sortit dans un gros mélange coutumes traditionnelles français et africains, avec une contribution importante au pays l'Espagne à culture indigène taïnoyo. Haïtiens yo exceptionnellement chaleureux, amical. C'est des mondes généreux qui baillent pays un caractère spécial et charme. C'est avec plaisir nous à partager avec vous, téléspectateurs attentionnés, un petit bout sous Haïti, un pays exotique. Nous souhaitons la vie où va remplir à grandeur, à grand main en cœur. Pour plus passer 3 décennies, Maître suprême Chinghai porte illumination dans le monde nouveau grâce à enseignement divin li. Étant un maître qui complètement illuminé, lui enseigner méthode Kuan Yin, une méthode de méditation à monde qui voulait découvrir immédiatement nature divine là qui en dedans yo et qui voulait accomplir que dans une seule existence la vie yo vient libérer éternellement de cycle transmigration. Méthode Kuan Yin là était pratiquée par toutes maîtres éclairés autant que Bouddha, Confucius, Guru Nanak, Jésus-Christ, Lao Tzu, Seigneur Krishna, Seigneur Mahavira, Prophète Mohammed, la paix soit avec lui, et en pile l'autre. Il insistait en pile sur l'importance que depuis nous toujours songer bon Dieu, depuis nous rendre service désintéressé, by l'autre monde, depuis nous suivre loi qui dans l'univers, nous pourrons arriver développer plus gros potentiel qui n'a en dedans nous. Et puis nous venons vraiment comprendre qui objectif nous débattre nous sur la terre. Maître suprême Chinghai, c'est un monde qui bat un exemple vivant extraordinaire de compassion, qui régulièrement voyait assistance matérielle et financière, aussi bien que rien dans que lui pour réfugiés, pour malheureux sans caillou, pour victimes des désastres naturels, et l'autre monde qui besoin de secours. Maître suprême Chinghai, reconnaissant en pile, à bon Dieu bien-aimé, pour toute aide financière, pour tout confort et support envers malheureux, ak moun qui n'ont besoin, envers ou soit pour n'importe qui bonne cause pendant toute année si là yo, n'en servi comme humble intermédiaire de compassion ak remen liel gagnant pour précieux petit liel. Maître suprême Chinghai recevoir support et affection de plusieurs organisations, médias, gouvernements et individus, aussi bien que en pile prix dans mayo tant que prix Gutsi 2006 pour la paix, qui considéré prix Nobel la paix dans l'hémisphère l'Est là, prix leadership spirituel mondial en 1994, prix Mahavir en 2008, 25 février à 25 octobre, tous les deux viennent proclamer journée Maître suprême Chinghai, un citoyen honoré dans le pays États-Unis et la trier. Et plutôt, ils ont rendu hommage Bali pendant plusieurs années, ils ont remis lui en pile prix, en pile compliment pour telles œuvres philanthropiques et humanitaires exceptionnelles li te fait yo. Nous excusez-nous que nous pas capables de présenter toute l'autre prix à distinction yo, peut-être manque espace à temps. Lycéen porte-parole conséquent pour belles amis bêtes yo. Maître suprême Ching Hai encourager alimentation végétale là, qui portait la paix à crémer dans cœur. Et puis tout, il fait belle vision dans cœur pour l'humanité vienne prendre conscience que tout ça qui gagne la vie, est sacré tout. Pour un monde qui posé, qui glorieux, qui végétalien net alcoolé. Côté bête ak monde vivent dans une harmonie chargée contentement. Initiative était pour gagner tendance végétalienne très diversifiée. Par exemple, gain circulaire en vivre dans l'autre façon qui te vient distribuer. Et puis tout, chaîne internationale de restaurants végétaliens Loving Hut, société production manger végétalien, imitation pour bêtes qui était faite à plantes, chaîne télévision Supreme Master Television, ensemble avec vin communiquer régulièrement à leader gouvernement influent yo, avec leader média yo, et participation tout dans conférences télévisées sur changement climat. Nous ne sommes pas au courant nécessairement de tout ça yo, cependant tout effort qui était fait yo, produit une influence considérable et réveiller conscience tout partout dans le monde. Sur qui j'en nous qu'à vivre une façon qui bienveillante pour bête yo, et qui j'en façon bienveillante ça, capoter la paix durable parmi toutes nations, aussitôt ça qu'a sauvé planète nous contre changement climatique et contre calamité. Depuis plusieurs années, Maître Suprême Ching Hai a été voyagé à travers le monde entier, depuis les Amériques, jusqu'en l'Afrique, sautant dans l'Europe, arrivé dans l'Océanie, était organisé des centaines de rencontres dialogues avec le public là et avec disciples sur différents sujets spirituels. Jodi, nous joignons bénédiction présentez-nous une conférence révélatrice sayo qui relève La grâce suprême bon Dieu vient révéler partie 5 sur 5 sur rencontre maître avec disciples présentée en anglais le 25 février 2005.
Anybody need medicine? Why some of you so quiet? Did I offend you or something? Did I touch your womb? Precious womb? Yes.
Master, I wanted to ask you, actually, I'm still like a secret agent. I mean, nobody from my family knows about you in my life.
I understand.
No mother, no father, no brother, no closer friends. And in the beginning, I know I was weak, and I didn't disclose this because I couldn't protect myself from their influence. I just wonder, will there be a time when I can just tell them and be safe enough to not to be dragged away from the path? Because no one of them is
Are you old?
How old
are you?
I?
Old enough?
You mean I don't live with my family, no?
Then what's your bother? You can tell them.
I can tell them. All right.
Sure.
All right.
Tell them, see what happens. The worst is that you live away from them. You already do. Huh?
All right.
You're not hurting anybody. You tell them in a nice way, no? Say, I heard that this method, if I practice meditation, I will give you and five generations a lot of merit. That's why I do it.
Yes, they won't believe me, but anyway.
Okay, say, well, maybe you don't believe me, but that is my motive. I want to repay your kindness. And I don't know what else to do. Even if I give you money, it's not much. Even if I work all my life for you, it's not much. I worry after you die where you go. Yeah, because I heard that heaven and hell exist. I want you to go to heaven. So this method give me strong prayer every day for us, huh? For you, and for me.
Yeah, just
tell them nicely.
Sometimes I feel much trouble is from my secret life is troubling me.
Yeah, pressure, eh?
Yes, I have to hide myself for a lot of things.
Tell them.
Yeah, all right.
Tell them that you don't expect anything. You just want to be an honest daughter. All right?
Yeah.
Yeah, because you do it not just for you, for 5 generations and for the world. And you're not doing anything wrong.
Yeah.
See? You just eat vegetarian, you be a good person, you keep the 5 moral precepts and you meditate. What wrong can that be? You're not harming nobody, you know?
Yes.
So whatever they say, it cannot be true. It cannot be bad, you know? Yeah, maybe they be happy. Who knows?
Also with my friends, the same thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't hide. No, just tell them. All right, maybe they follow you. They be curious. Be kind and be loving. Be, you know, sweet talk always works. Yeah.
All right.
The worst is that they be angry for a while. Take it.
Yes.
And after a while they come down and say, well, actually she really she's right. She's not doing anything wrong. She could be worse. She go out and get heroin or smoke and drink and, you know, what next? You see what I mean?
Yes.
You are the best daughter they can ever wish to have. I don't know why you're hiding.
I was just afraid they would
Understand?
drink. Yeah.
Understand. But you live alone anyway, don't care.
Yeah.
They should be afraid they might lose the daughter.
Yeah, they were afraid.
Yeah. So up to now, you just tell them, up to now I practiced for many years and nothing happened. So you can see I'm okay, I'm normal. Right?
Yeah.
Prove it, eh?
Yeah.
Right. But I'm sorry for your situation. There's so much pressure. I know it's bad to be a secret agent. I know how it feels like.
刚才很多师姐师兄都在谈论这个第5节这个等级的问题。我觉得我们现在考虑，我为我们这几位师兄师姐到第5届感到非常非常的高兴，而且我也
到第5
届啊，对呀，我很高兴，很羡慕他们，我也觉得很有希望。但是我们现在要解决的问题，是因为我们要看我们的我执放下多少。我们不是追求的境界，而追求的是我们应该放下我们的执着，放下这些师兄师姐之所以能到5届，是因为他们有无私奉献的心，才能到第5届。如果说我们还嫉妒心，我们还贪图钱财，贪图很多都放不下的话，那就不谈第5届了。
不行了啊，
就不行了。
OK， 对的。
就是这个感觉，我就说我们现在应该是我们检讨我们的身口意。时时刻检讨身口意，把我们的一切都交给师父处理。我想这样的话，我也凭我自己的感受，我也觉得效果很好。
OK 谢谢了。Anything else you wanna? Why not call it quit? What else you wanna know?
I want to say that I feel very bad that I made you trouble.
No, I didn't have trouble.
And I'm really grateful that you have come into my life.
Never trouble, baby. I'm just telling what it is. I'm very objective. No trouble. Don't worry, I love you.
I love you so much, and you are the best. What happened in my life, and I
Wow,
really want.
really? The human language is trouble. Yeah. But the more grateful, the more you get, okay? My God. How can you make anything out of anything else, you know? A plastic cup is plastic cup, no? Huh? What for to be a crystal? Crystal is fine, plastic is fine. Different purpose, yeah? Okay? Airplane's good, outdoors good. Yeah? The car, what for? Want to be an airplane? How can he be? What for? Yeah? And the small frog want to be a horse, why? But why? It's fine to be a frog, no?
He can dream about being a horse, right?
What for? Of course you can dream, but you don't even know what a horse is. You have to be a horse in order to know what a horse feels like, and you know what I mean? You can only imagine stuff. What about tire yourself out? Why? Enjoy what you are. Yeah? Enjoy what you have. It's very beautiful what you are. Whatever you are is beautiful. Yeah? Told you already, why want to be Queen of England? Too much responsibility. Just be a royalty, fine. Yeah? A knight already, fine. Yeah? Why want to be Queen of England? Her consort or whatever. We are spiritual practitioners. We are not here for fame and name or profit even anymore. Yeah? Even spiritual profit, it's just grace of God. Why one this, one that? What the heck, huh? Even a human like this become third level. Now and again, get some candies already, not bad. Yeah, not to talk about fifth level. Why bother, eh? Just put it all down, okay? Whatever you are, you beautiful. You fine, you good. Yeah? Learn to be happy, otherwise you will never be happy. Even you're not happy now. Suppose you be God, you'll be a miserable God, I'm telling you. And a lot of work, you think being God is fun. You really don't know. Fine, but God is there just to take care of everything, of all His creation. Big burden. Huh? One person. What is there? The greater your position, the more responsibility. Not just to look at the glory side. Look at the other side as well. You must have responsibility if you have privilege. Understand me? The more privilege, the more responsibility. But why we discuss God? You don't even know what it is anyway. Yeah, just contented, be yourself. Even I sit there here and talk to you 3-4 years, you still don't know what God is. It's just a concept, okay? What?
I think that's why we are here, to find out.
To find out what God is? You're dreaming.
Better than nothing. Better than dreaming to the daily stuff.
I know, but you never know what God is. Never know. Except when He incarnates into a physical form. And then you think, oh, that's another woman, or a man, or a saint, or a master, that's it. That's all you know. It's nothing else you can ever imagine. Even if the fifth were, oh dear God, it's a vastness that you could not even imagine. And then the whole universe, so many different planets, dimensions, and you can just say the fifth world, that's just a number, no? Oh dear God. Look at this planet. It's not even a dimension or level, and how big it is. Look at the sun and the moon and our galaxy here. How great it is already. Look at the Milky Way. How great, you don't even know one star up there. One star in the firmament, you don't even know.
But today I feel truly humble.
You are?
I feel humble.
Right, you always thought you were Buddha, right?
No, I'm not.
What for you want to be God?
No, I don't.
God, everybody imagine God. That's mostly they imagine the gods of the astral world, or the God of the second world, or the God of the third world. Not to talk even the fourth or the fifth.
Okay.
But they are God, of course.
Yeah.
They are the great part of God.
Yeah, the part of
But the Almighty is different, that's all.
Yeah.
All right, the most original.
Yeah. I feel really happy today. I feel like a wonderful, amazing journey is there waiting.
Yeah, really?
Yeah. It's all, yeah. And it's an infinite journey, right?
The what?
It's an infinite journey. An infinite
Journey?
into understanding about everything,
Sure.
right?
Even to get to the fifth is so much that you think you never know enough.
Wow. That's really amazing.
So it's too much already for you, human.
No, it's that kind of wonder and awe. You know, sometimes when you're a baby, you look at the cosmos and you think, wow, look, it's awesome. Today I had a glimpse of this from your speech. So that's why I'm really excited, and I feel humble, really, truly today.
The brother and sister here work very hard, eh? Yeah, work very hard, still working, you know, every day go fetch you like the road like that, and have to go every day shopping for you even. Good. Okay, it's midnight almost, no? You want to go sleep now? Still want to talk?
No. I just want to say we just stay happy to be stupid crude oil and go home and sleep.
Never mind. Whatever you are is fine. Whatever you are is fine. Everything is for something. Even stone is useful. Earth is useful. Grass is useful. Just meditate and you know. Okay, guys? You meditate, okay? Not sleeping, yeah? So I'm meditating there, okay? But of course, it's your choice. But I would recommend you stay awake. Time is short. You're not here long. You don't see me often. Just stay awake. Whatever. You receive energy.
You can also meditate in the trail.
Sure, trailer. Yeah, everybody. Some here, some there. Wherever there's room, you go meditate. Okay? Why were you crying before? What happened?
I'm just very thankful.
Thankful. That's why you're crying. Okay, cool. Whatever you think is fine, okay? Whatever you think is fine, just practice meditation. At least you know I take you to 5th level for sure, you know? If not now, then slowly, yeah? I mean, at least I'm capable of taking you there. But you have different conception about God, what God would be like, what he looked like, what she looked like, you know? That's why they killed Jesus. Because they didn't think he's God, but he was. And sometimes other masters also from God, you know? Different reincarnation, huh? But nobody believed it. So what's the use of talking about that? You know, anyway, it's too great a concept. You meditate, you rest a little, have a drink, and then continue, okay?
Téléspectateurs charmants, nous apprécions compagnie dans l'épisode jodi qui relève La grâce suprême bon Dieu vient révéler. Partie 5 sur 5 sur rencontre maître avec disciple. Prochaine émission c'est une série avec plusieurs épisodes sur anciennes prédictions sur planète noire. Prophétie sur l'âge d'or. Partie 47. Dessin prophétique yon divino argentin Benjamin Solari Paravicini, tout de suite après Nouvelle remarquable. Tant pis, continuez à suivre Supreme Master Television pour plus de programmes qui positifs. Nous souhaitons toujours bien guider par sagesse bon Dieu. Charming viewers, we appreciate your company for today's episode entitled The Supreme Grace of God Revealed, Part 5 of 5, on Between Master and Disciples. Coming up next is multi-part series on ancient predictions about our planet. Prophecy of the Golden Age, Part 47. The prophetic drawings of Argentinian seer Benjamin Solari Paravicini. Right after noteworthy news. Please stay tuned to Supreme Master Television for more positive programming. May you always be guided by divine wisdom.
Our programs offer many languages. Please visit suprememastertv.com/schedule and suprememastertv.com/BMD.